Get your TRC20. Okay. So get your TRC20 ready, because after our presentation, we will have a raffle. Okay. We will give away TRC20. Okay. So lucky winners, there will be 5 lucky winners of 50 TRC20. Okay. And there's one lucky winner that's going to receive $100 worth of TRC20. So stay behind. After the presentation, we will have a raffle draw. All your names, everyone, the 500 participant here will be in our wheel of names, and the lucky winner will receive 50 USD 30. So I think we'll not prolong this meeting. So please make sure that all distractions are removed and listen very carefully. And before we introduce our speaker today, please share our disclaimer. RJ?
All right. So guys, thank you so much for joining us tonight. So before we move forward and introduce our speaker of the night, disclaimer only, the information in this webinar is for educational purposes only, and it's not in investment or financial advice. The passive income industry is risky, and you should only invest the amount you can afford to lose. Past performance is not indicative of future results. All of our webinars, videos, emails, and social media posts are only our opinions of programs that are working for us. Please understand this before you invest your time or money. Do your research before investing or parting ways with your hard-earned money. Our tip is, our number one rule is to get into profit as soon as possible. Okay, based on your own risk tolerance and goals, you want to start to play with what we refer a house money as quickly as possible. Back to you, Ron.
Okay, so let's go. Let's introduce our very special speaker today. He is my sponsor. He's the reason why I reached the shareholder director rank. Okay, he's so helpful. And let me present to you my mentor, shareholder director. Let's go.
Jay, I think you need to unmute your mic.
Okay, well, while we're waiting for our special host, our special guest, um, okay, he's the host now.
Yeah, Jay is the host already.
Okay.
Can
Oh,
you
by
guys
the
hear
way,
me okay now?
Yes,
okay,
we can hear you now. Crystal
Perfect.
clear.
Sorry.
max out
Sorry about that.
500.
Yeah, we hit 500. Definitely did. We definitely did, guys. So give yourselves a hand of applause, even though you're all on mute and we can't hear you, but definitely we did. All right, let's make sure that this thing is being recorded, first of all, okay? And then we'll go ahead and continue into the presentation. Let's see. It looks like it is recording here. Let me just make sure. So my view is full screen. Here we go. Yeah. Record. All right, guys, welcome. And I am so glad to be here with you guys, with my buddy RJ, with my buddy Ron. I am shareholder director upline from all of you guys and for all of you that are about to join today. And so we're going to start this meeting by simply just telling you a little bit about myself. And like I said, we really don't want to mention names because we're going to use this recording for a tool. It's going to be a recording tool for everyone so that you can freely use it to recruit others without worrying about anyone coming to find us or anything like that, you know. And I'll just keep it safe by saying my name is Jay, and then my buddy Ron and my buddy RJ are the ones that actually put this together today. And I just want to give them a big congratulations because my buddy Ron just hit shareholder director and RJ is climbing fast behind him. So big kudos to you guys. God bless you for that. You guys are working really, really hard. And I'm so happy to be part of your growth and part of your success. I'm gonna go ahead and put my glasses on because obviously I'm gonna need it a little bit here. And we still have some people trying to get on board. 483, and we're about to hit 500 soon, guys. Okay, guys, and let me get this view a little bit better here because honestly, I'm just seeing myself, and I want to make sure that we're all good here. Boom. Okay, I think so. All right, so boom. Okay, we're recording. Chat is there. Admit more. All right, 496. We're about to hit 500 here in a moment. So really, really glad. My view here is just, I want to get it back down to, here we go. Where's my view? Okay, here. Let me try to fix this a little because my view is just for myself here. Trying to view everybody. Hey, RJ, are you there?
Yes.
All right, so I just see myself on my screen, and I just kind of want to just put everything back to normal here.
Yeah.
So that I can actually get the PowerPoint up because I cannot see. Let me see. Oh, there, got it. All right, perfect. I think I'm good now. All right, guys. So I'm sharing screen. Yep, here we go. Sharing screen. Now we're good. Perfect. Yes. All right, perfect. All right, guys, here we go. We still have people trying to get in, and we are about to hit 500. This is very, very exciting. Again, my name is Jay, my buddy Ron, my buddy RJ put this together, and I'm so excited for you guys, and I'm excited for everyone who's on here. So just a little bit about myself. I've been in the Forex market or Forex industry for over 8 years now. And as I've gone through my journey, I've actually been evolutionizing or evolving. And so, you know, I started out pretty much with a Forex educational service, jumped up to providing signal services, and then I started providing account management services until the point about 3 years ago, I started providing automated trading services. And in that field, I realized the potential of, you know, automated systems, hands-free. I know how difficult it is and how high risk it is to operate in the Forex market. And so now with automated trading, it's become very, very easy, especially now with Intelligence Prime Capital that provides such a great software. And so we've been dabbling in this kind of field for about 3 years, gotten a lot of success out of it. I own my own high frequency trading, which is something similar to what we are actually experiencing at Intelligence Prime Capital. Very, very, very dependable. Oh my God, here we go. More people. Okay, 487, great. All right, and so, you know, today we're gonna just kind of present the company, present the software, present the compensation plan so that everybody can understand. And we're gonna just talk a little bit about how to grow your network. And I'm sure all you guys are very familiar. A lot of you are very big shots networking guys, and you probably could teach me a thing or two, okay? So that's really also great. So let's talk a little bit. Well, first of all, before I even start, I want to tell everyone, just like RJ mentioned, Forex is a very, very high risk industry. We are not responsible for what you're investing or anything like that, but we want to highly recommend, please only invest what you're willing to risk. It's very important that you know that, because even though we have a very dependable software that I can actually back up with data of over 2 years, this project has only been going on since August of last year. And so far, so good. The highest drawdown we've ever seen has been about 0.95, less than 1%. So that says a lot. But, you know, the company is great. The software is super dependable. But beyond all these facts, we have to highly recommend everyone to only only invest what you're willing to risk, so that way we can continue building a risk-free network, which is very, very important for all. Okay, guys? So a little bit about the company. The company's been around for about 6 years, the broker Intelligence Prime Capital. Okay, but it wasn't until last year, August, where they decided to launch this particular platform that we are presenting to you today. Okay, with a high frequency trading algorithm that pretty much has no losses on its record. And like I said before, just by personal data, I can confirm 2 years history, and I can confirm that. I mean, not right now. I'm not gonna do anything but I do have the information for anyone, and I'll give it to my buddy Ron. I'll give it to my buddy RJ, so that we can spread the love and everybody can know what's up with all of this. 2 years history with the software, and it's very, very solid. And so the company is actually regulated by 3 different entities. They're regulated by FINTRAC, and we're gonna scroll here a little bit, and we can see the FINTRAC certification right there very clearly. And one thing I want to tell you guys is that I actually did my due diligence when I started back in late November, early December. I was very skeptical, because I had run into a lot of trouble with different brokers that were unregulated. So my number 1 rule was only go with regulated brokers, okay? And so I looked into it. They had 2 different independent regulations. One of them was FINTRAC, and there you see their money services business certificate. I called FINTRAC myself. Okay, you can see the number right here, and it's very clear, 1-866-346-8722. And I spoke to someone there who could confirm the actual certificate. They could confirm the status for Intelligence Prime Capital was intact, and everything was fine and great with it. I'm not going to spend a lot of time talking about what FINTRAC does and everything, but they're basically an independent regulator in Canada who are pretty much in charge of all the parliamentary financials. And so they take care of this kind of stuff, okay? So FINTRAC just means Financial Transaction Reports Analysis Center. It's pretty good to know that, but even with this particular regulation, they were still at a 0 point something, like less than 1 star rating at that point. Then they have also FINCEN, which is the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network. I also called someone there. I wasn't able to speak to someone physically, but I went on their website and I could confirm that their document was intact. I left an email, and I did get an email back saying that everything was intact, that yes, that Intelligence Prime Capital is regulated and observed by them. And so that was great. And so even with the FINCEN regulation and the FINTRAC regulation, they still had less than 1 star review. But it wasn't until August 20 or August 17, I want to say, that Intelligence Prime Capital became regulated and fully compliant with ASIC. Now, ASIC, on the other hand, it's a highly prestigious regulator, internationally known. Now, one thing you guys have to know about ASIC, guys, is that it's not every broker can get regulated by ASIC. So when this came on the scene in December 20th of last year, that's when everything started to skyrocket for Intelligence Prime Capital. They went from having a less than 1 star rating on the Forex Wiki site to having about a 6.33 now, or 3.4 now. And they just jumped. They came on the map, and everything started going really, really well for them. Now, of course, there's a lot of haters out there, and you're going to have a lot of negative chatter. But I'm here to tell you guys that what matters here is this certification, because this certification has the history of when the platform began. And the great thing to know about ASIC is that ASIC doesn't give a certification to just anyone. They actually did an audit, a deep, thorough audit that includes an investigation of their financials, of the software's track record, of the actual compensation plan that Intelligence Prime Capital has in place, They did a thorough investigation of anything that was sent out, all the payouts that were sent to either members or outside institutions or banking institutions were all investigated. Every agent that represents Intelligence Prime Capital had to give their police report and show a background check before ASIC could even, begin to think about certifying these guys. Once ASIC went through these procedures and thoroughly investigated every aspect of the broker's activity, they found everything to be fine and gave them a certificate. This is very important. I in the last Zoom I did, and I know some of you that are already on board saw it, the one that's about compliance versus the public opinion. I had a buddy of mine who actually works at a broker for over 7 years, and he came on board to speak a little bit about the MT4 and some of the things that are occurring in Intelligence Prime Capital with MT4, and explained how legit it was and how brokers nowadays are offering different platforms of similarity. And to protect their software, what they're doing is they're not allowing the trades to show live, and they just kind of pop into your history. And it is a form of manipulation on the back end of the broker, but it's a positive manipulation that saves and secures the software from being copy traded. So if you've ever asked yourself the question, why does the orders just pop into history? There's your answer. Apart from that, my buddy, he reiterated and he began to praise pretty much the regulator ASIC, because he knows how tough, even the broker that he works with, they're not regulated through ASIC. And he's like, I had been talking to him for quite a few months about Intelligence Prime Capital, but the moment I mentioned that they were regulated with ASIC, he stopped everything and he said, Jay, this changes everything, bro. Send me that information. I need to verify it. And so he did what I'm about to do for you guys right here. I'm going to back out of this screen and I'm going to actually click on the website just to show you. And we're still getting some people here. Okay, here we go. Trying to reach here. Where is it? Just to show you, and I did this the last night. Jumped on there. Okay, sir. Servers can't be reached. Let me see. They're probably doing maintenance right now. Yeah, must be some maintenance, man. So I jumped on there yesterday just to reconfirm the certification, and it popped right up. I'm gonna try one more time. Hopefully we can get no. Yeah, they must be doing some server maintenance. We'll jump back to it later as we continue through the presentation, and I'll show you. Anyway, you can just click on there and search business name, put Intelligence Prime Capital, and then you'll get, one through four options, and you'll see Intelligence Prime Capital. You'll click on it and you'll get their certification. You can click on their PDF. It'll come right up and you can see that they've been registered since December 17 of last year. This changed everything, guys, because of how prestigious Intelligence Prime Capital is. And so it's very, very important for each one to do their due diligence, because there's a lot of YouTubers, there's a lot of bloggers out there, and they're going to say X and Y things, and you're going to get, and it's all really just either a bunch of people hating because a lot of people make a lot of money copy trading. And so what happens is most of the most dependable softwares out there are being copy traded by these copy trade scammers, and they're making tons of money. So what happens is they go to these influencers and they begin to complain, hey, check this out. And because they cannot copy trade, then they start bad mouthing. But I tell you something, that bad publicity is always better than, no publicity at all. And what it's done for Intelligence Prime Capital, even though there's a lot of negative chatter out there, it has brung them back up into the map. And now we are at over 280 or 290 million in volume. Now, why do I tell you guys that number? That number is very important because many companies out there that disappear with people's money do so within about 5 to 10 million in volume, and then they disappear. They They take everybody's funds, they take everybody's stuff. But this is something that we've gone way past, above and beyond, and you know, it's beyond reproach because they're regulated through ASIC, and ASIC is a very, very key factor in this whole thing about regulation. And just the fact that they're regulated through ASIC goes above all the public opinion, all the YouTube blog and negative chatter, all the bloggers that are talking negative and toxic stuff about. My highest recommendation is for you to have this information and know how valid it is. Call yourself, guys. Click on the link yourself and verify the information for yourself. I spent over an hour on the phone with 2 representatives of ASIC. One of them, the only task that he had was to basically confirm that the broker was in fact regulated, registered, and fully compliant. And then he transferred me to another department where the other representative went into depth. He went into detail about the audit, about the requirements, about the compliancy that ASIC, you know, took this broker and put him through this severe investigative process. And so it's important for you to know that, because when you get into Intelligence Prime Capital and you start recruiting, you're going to run into the YouTube, you're going to run into the blogs, and you're going to run into some of your prospects coming back with different YouTube videos. And this is the information that goes above and beyond it, guys. Okay. And so this is why this is so very important. And that's why I spent so much time on this particular fact. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and keep moving on. Here we see that at the Forex Wiki site, this here says that they're at 6.31 stars, and I should have updated that, but they're right now probably at 6.34 or so, which is great coming from having just only a half a star, guys. All right, let's get into it, okay? We're gonna talk a little bit about the software. We've already spoken a little bit about the company, and now we're gonna kind of rush through things because I also wanna open up for Q&A at the end, and maybe give you guys an opportunity to ask some questions and you know, give me an opportunity to answer everything that's going on. So for the Intelligence Prime Capital project, the bot system here offers 3 different options. Option 1 and option 2 are really, you know, there are a choice, but we always go with the Genius bot. As you can see, it provides between 30 and 45% net. The actual is gross is 35 to 50%. I've seen 50% being hit in some months, but when you look at FX books, you'll notice the average is usually between 35 and 45 average on the monthly, since the track record goes all the way back to August of last year. So we're going with the Genius bot, guys. Don't get confused. The Brilliant bot only makes 15 to 30% a month. You don't want that, and it only has 2 trades a day. The Smart bot only goes from 9% to 15% a month, only trades 1 trade a day. You don't want to deal with that. So Genius bot all the way, guys, all right? Okay, here I'm just showing you the company's track record dating back from August the 21st or so, okay, guys? Now, as you can see, on the left is from the past, the last Zoom I gave, they were already up about 400%, plus 400%, with a 0.97% drawdown. That's max drawdown. And as you can also see, their monthly average was only 33%, almost 34. But now, this month, actually, this was yesterday's screenshot, we are up almost 600%. And the drawdown remains low risk, less than 1%. And now it's averaging a monthly of 33%, 0.90. This is because the track records date back to about August 21st or so. Now, here's my account. All right, the last Zoom we did, my account still was a little bit under 100% to hit. And the daily was about 1.18%. The monthly so far was ranging at about 41%, almost 42% gains a month, guys. And I still have yet to record any max drawdown at all. So mine still says no, 0. And on the right was the screenshot I took yesterday while I was updating the PowerPoint for you guys. and my account has almost reached 200%. It's at 187% right now, with a daily increase compared to the previous one of 1.28% average daily. And also the monthly gains went from 41% to 46, almost 40%, 47%, guys. That's crazy, with yet 0% drawdown at all. So we have 46.98% monthly gains. Now, this is gross gains, okay? Because the company does charge a 20% profit split, which puts you back down to about a 35%, which is still in for software dependability. So that's a little bit about the software dependability. Last thing I'll say is that it's a high frequency trading algo, very, very difficult for it to lose on its own. The only way that this software is going to lose anything is by broker manipulation, which will not happen because the broker is trading in line with you. And so is the liquidity provider. And everyone is happy if you're happy. You understand? So we're going to move on to the compensation plan, guys. Running through it really quickly now. Okay. So there's 4 different bonuses when we're talking about the business plan of Intelligence Prime Capital, okay? We have the bot bonus, we have the sponsorship bonus, we have the management bonus, and the previously added global bonus. The bot bonus is very, very simple. The bot, it averages costs about $100. It's 99.90. When you refer somebody using your link, you're going to get 10%, roughly about $10. $9.90 to be accurate. Okay, so that's enough for the bot bonus. It's just really hands down, really clear. Okay, so the second one is a little more exciting. It's called a sponsorship bonus, previously known as the deposit bonus. Okay, guys. So if you're a director, what happens is once you share your link with someone, let's say user B comes in with $1,000, you're going to get 10%, which is $100. Now you have the sponsorship bonus and you have the bot bonus that you're going to receive almost immediately. With so much flooding in the platform in transactions and registrations, sometimes these bonuses can delay a few hours, but you will get them same day. Less than 24 hours, you'll see these in your wallet. So user B, he deposited $1,000. He has an extra $100 for the bot. You get $110 immediately into your wallet in your back office. Now, the percentages range according to your rank. So everyone starts off as a leader when they refer the first person. You'll get 5%. As a supervisor, you'll get 6. As a senior manager, you'll get 7. As a department manager, you'll get 8. As a regional manager, you'll get 9. As a director, managing or shareholder director, you'll get 10. Okay, and that's how the sponsorship bonus works. Now, the management bonus is really exciting because everybody gets excited on the weekends. It's payday, right? So what happens is, according to the ROI, according to the performance of the bot in your downline, you're going to get different percentages on the first level, which means direct. When you get a direct referral, which means somebody used your link, you'll get 30% of the performance that their equity created. You know, so if you have 100 people and those 100 people made $1,000, you're going to get 30% of everyone in your level 1. You're going to get 20% of everyone in your level 2. You're going to get 10% of everyone in your level 3. You're going to get 5% of everyone levels 4 through 6. You're going to get 3% of everyone in levels 7 through 9. You're going to get 2% of everyone in levels 10 through 14, and 1% of everyone from level 15 to 20. Guys, this is crazy. Okay, this is insane. And a lot of people ask themselves, how in the world can Intelligence Prime Capital pretty much pay out that much to everyone? And the way they do it is pretty much they charge a 20% profit split. So out of that 20% profit split, they take care of all the management bonuses. And that's how it's completely self-sustainable. And so a lot of people think, oh, when they look at this, they think of how aggressive this looks, and already they're saying Ponzi. It's a Ponzi. It's a Ponzi. It has to be a Ponzi. How can a company like this or a broker like this pay out this much or this aggressively and, you know, be sustainable and or not be a Ponzi scheme, right? And so, you know, the answer is very simple. They pay everything using the bonus. So, I mean, I'm sorry, using the profit split. So it's pretty much self-sustainable. It's really a simple concept. And on the other hand, you have to bear in mind that ASIC already investigated this whole business plan. They investigated this whole platform. They investigated the whole software, its dependability, its track record, and they gave out the certificate. That's why I spend so much time talking about the regulator certificate, because it goes above, you know, reproach. It goes above all the public opinion. It goes above all the bloggers and the negativity and the toxicity. You know, I would highly recommend that if someone mentions, you know, negativity more than 2 or 3 days in a row, that you just go ahead and just keep it moving and don't pay any more attention to him, because you yourself know that ASIC regulator will not give a certificate if they look through all their history and transaction and did a thorough audit and investigation and saw some kind of Ponzi activity. So they are not Ponzi, guys. ASIC will not give a certificate otherwise, okay? So this is really great. Of course, there's some requirements that you'll see for each ranking. So if you want to be a director, you have to have $10,000 in your trading account, in your MTA4 account. And there's other requirements in personal sales and some requirements in group sales. And you can get this company PDF through your upline. And if you're joining Ron or RJ, they'll give it to you as well. And the last but not least is the global bonus. Now, I'm going to explain how the global bonus came to be. And it happened and it went into effect in January of the 17th of this year. Now, you remember how we were showing how these different ranks have, you know, 5%, 6%, 7%, 8%, 9%, and then the directors get 10%, right? Well, before January 17th, this wasn't like this. It was 10% down the line. Everyone was getting 10% sponsorship bonus down the line. So whoever made a deposit, no matter what rank you were getting 10%. So the company took and shaved off 5% here, 4% here, 3% here, 2% here, 1% here, and they took that percentages and they threw it into what we call, or what they call, the global bonus, guys. Now, this is a very exciting bonus, but it's only available for directors. So you have to be a managing or shareholder director to share in this bonus. The way this bonus works is they throw that percentage into a pool, and you can see it in your dashboard. You can see it in your back office. If you scroll down a little bit, hey, Ron, could you tell us how much the global bonus pool is at right now? And while he gets that information, I'm gonna just say, you know, what happens is that let's just say, for example's sake, that there's $1 million in the pot. Okay, so what happens is they're gonna take that and divide it through all the directors. So let's say that there's 10 directors in the pool at the moment, that there's $1 million, and they pay it out on the first of the month, even though we get our management bonuses on every Friday night for us in the USA, but it's really Saturdays for everyone internationally, depending on the location of your demographics, okay? And so this gets shared equally. So for example's sake, let's just say that there's 10 leaders that share in this pool with $1 million. That means every leader will get 100,000, okay? 100,000. So like I said, you will see this global bonus growing like clockwork in your back dashboard. And I think we're like somewhere over like 2 million. RJ or Ron, can you help me here? And let me know what in your back office does it say? Last time I looked, it was like 2 point something million in the pot. And on the 1st of February, everyone who was a director received their bonus, and it was for the first time in history. We had the privilege to actually share in the global bonus, and I got like 15,000 and some change. It was really, really awesome, unexpected money, nothing that no one was expecting. It just hit my USDT dashboard wallet, and the next morning I got up and I was like, wow, I got an extra 15 grand here. And that's very, very exciting. So it helps everyone stay motivated to push to reach and obtain a director's position. Okay, so that is really, really exciting. Now, I did this on my own for your benefit because a lot of people need to see some proof. And so I wanted to share my experience with Intelligence Prime Capital ever since I became a director. And just to let you know, I hit director in 2.5 weeks. I think it was like the first 2 weeks I hit director, then like midweek that week I hit shareholder director. And that same Saturday, my first bonus, guys, was 5,697, guys. This is some exciting stuff. Okay. The week after that was 10,852, guys. All right. The week after that was 21,000. Now, when you're making this kind of money every week, this is really life-changing stuff right here. Okay. This is some exciting stuff. The following week, I made 27,000. The week after that, I made 35,257. The week after that, I made 46,000. At this point, I was pinching myself, guys. I was like, am I dreaming? And the thing is that I was withdrawing this every time I got my bonus the next morning, and it was hitting my coin wallet. It just kept hitting my coin wallet. I was like, I'm getting clean withdrawals, and some of these withdrawals were coming in within minutes. I mean, I remember one time I did a withdrawal and it hit my account in less than 5 minutes or so. And I was like, wow. As a matter of fact, my daughter was sitting in our kitchen. We kind of network together in the morning. We get up and at about 9 in the morning, we eat breakfast, we chit chat, we plan. And at about 9 in the morning, we start, working and registering people and talking to people on our network and what have you. And my daughter, I had told her, hold on. Okay, I'll tell you when you can withdraw your bonus, because there was some complications last weekend with some server updates and maintenance, and a lot of people tend to just quickly go to withdraw. I try to tell everybody, hey, just kind of wait. There's some maintenance going on, and a lot of people did. So their stuff kind of failed. Okay, but we all fixed that. That's another thing that I want to make clear, that when you're joining us, okay, there's a very important detail. We do have a direct contact with the broker. So a lot of people that made this mistake right now are still in the air, not being able to resolve anything, versus our team. We put these requests through to the broker, and everyone has been getting, slowly but surely, the majority have already gotten all of this stuff back into their coin wallets. The withdrawals are completed, and that's a huge plus for being in our team, guys. So don't get it twisted. A lot of people want to go sign up with the YouTuber, with the blogger, or with X or Y. And then what's going to happen is that they're left like orphans, because that leader is crappy. He just wants to recruit. He doesn't educate. He doesn't motivate. He doesn't do any Zooms. He doesn't push you forward. He has no kind of direct contact with the broker. So when any kind of problems occur, then all of your team are just left in the air, and they're unable at all to get any kind of resolve. And so even though we do have a live chat, you have to get on there between 2 and 7 in the morning. And for us, that's like that's literally Eastern time. It's 2 a.m. But for many others, it's probably morning time and whatnot, and it's okay. But for us in the USA, it's really, really hard for us to wait till 2 in the morning to get an actual representative to resolve something. And then when you do, you're sitting in a line, 50 people, 60 people, 100 people, and you have to wait if you really want to get something resolved. But the plus to that is that we do have a direct contact. It's not only one, we have several contacts, and we get things resolved, we get things worked out, guys. So that's a very important detail to know about our team. All right, so that, and then the point that I was making was, I told my daughter yesterday morning, go ahead and make your withdrawal because I made mine on Monday because I waited, and I got mine on Wednesday, hit my coin wallet, and it was great, you know. So she did her withdrawal and literally got the email for the pending. And then we started to talk, and not even 1 minute into it, she got the second email. The withdrawal was approved, and she looked in her coin wallet. Boom, her bonus was right there. And we were like, no way. So it's really, really important to just kind of make your withdrawals on the weekdays where the platform is not so inundated and flooded with transactions or people trying to register and come on board. It's a really important detail for you guys. So yeah, 46,624 that week. Okay, but it doesn't stop there, guys. Okay, so I went, the following week was 52,430. Guys, I'm still pinching myself and saying, is this real? Okay, withdrawals back to back. And the next week after that, 60,000. The week after that, 72,487, which was not this last weekend, but the following weekend that had just passed. Now, this last weekend now, last Saturday, this was my bonus, $78,266, guys. If this doesn't excite you, I don't know what will, you know, because this is true facts right here that I'm giving you today directly from the upline, guys. And just so you know, my upline and my leader is actually one of the contacts at the broker. So no better team to be part of than our team, guys. And for last here, these are the last 10 deposits in the history of my coin wallet. And there it is, guys. Look, there goes the 78 grand. All right. And as you can see, the 73 over here, the 60 over here, but I made it visible on this side. 73 right here, complete. All right. Look at this, 60,000 complete, 52,000 complete, 47,000 complete, 35,000 complete. Okay. Before this, I was using a different coin wallet. And so I was kind of posting the videos and stuff on all my groups, and it was really exciting and stuff. But this is kind of more professional and stuff. But when I started receiving these bonuses into my new coin wallet, which actually connects with my bank, that's why I'm using that one now. And the wiring is really, really easy. It's same day if you do it early enough, goes right into your bank, same day. My bank doesn't charge me anything at all. And the broker only charges $3 for each withdrawal that you do. So it's crazy to think that I withdrew $78,263 and the broker only charged $3. So that's another great thing to know about Intelligence Prime Capital. Their withdrawals are very low in charge, guys. And so lastly, I just want to talk a little bit about how to grow your network. Very, very simple. In 4 different simple steps, this is what I did. So I'm telling you out of personal experience, we can actually get really, really detailed, and we can get really, really deep about how to market and how to grow your network. But, you know, I like things black and white, and this is the way I made and hit a shareholder director. And so the fair thing to do is not to come at you with all this social media depth on how to this and that, and all that good stuff is great. I don't knock it and all that, and I might even use some of those techniques myself, okay? But I grew my network in 4 easy steps, and these are it right here, guys, okay? Let me move this over a little bit, okay? So I like to operate my whole social network and my whole business platform that I run, my Forex education, my signal service, my automated trading services, and any other service that I provide through my Telegram channel. So I suggest everyone to open up a group because it allows you to manually enter a few 100,000 people. So you can have a really, really large group. Okay, my group chat is somewhere in the 10,000 now, 10,600 and something people, okay? And just so you know, when people sign up with me, I actually make them admins in that chat, and they can actually recruit from that chat, which is great idea and a great support coming from uplines, okay? So another thing we want to do is post every day. what are we posting? We're posting results. We're posting how the first trade came out, the second trade came out, the third trade came out, what percentage it made today, showing FX book results. Any updates that pop into your dashboard are very, very important for everyone to know. So when you're posting everyday results, everyday updates, you know, your viewers begin to become intrigued, and they'll ask, okay, hey, what's going on over there? What's this all about? And then you'll just give them very, very concise info, guys. And then when they respond, they're interested, you send them your referral link. This is all I did. And in 2.5 weeks, I hit shareholder director, and I am now, you know, a well-paid individual at the Intelligence Prime Capital. I'm not going to continue too far in, but this is just a little example of the general information that I sent out, which is also available through Ron and through RJ. They can give it to you. You can edit it however you want. But my high recommendation, when you send somebody information about the company, don't send a big old encyclopedia page of information, because the moment people look at that, I get turned off. I'm just telling you by personal experience. I look at whatever anyone sends me, and if I see like a story, I just like, okay, I can't even do it. I just keep going, especially how busy I am. So the best thing to do is to send just a little paragraph of some general information, and I'll just read it. Look, here's some general information on our latest project. The broker is regulated and fully compliant on the 3 regulators. It makes 35 to 50% gains a month, trades 3 times a day.
Hey, Jay.
At our affiliate broker, and less than 1% peak drawdown so far. The bot does 35% to 50% safe returns a month, but to make more, you can share the opportunity with others and make more aggressive gains in the bonuses and the commissions that are available to you through our compensation plan. Interested in joining? Guys, this is the worm on the hook. Interested in joining? If this is not attractive and concise enough, I don't know what is. But I keep it simple, black and white. And so once somebody asks you, hey, you know, this is the information, you give them, and then when they say yes, I'm interested, all you're doing is sharing your registration link with a small little paragraph of how to go ahead and, you know, set everything up. So in this case, it says registration link, and in parentheses right here says your referral link. You put your referral link in, and then I put, like, once you're registered, you can deposit and purchase bot. In order to deposit and purchase bot, click the top right option box, click transactions, then click funding, use BTC or USDT to deposit. If using USDT, make sure it's TRC20 network, make your deposit. Back then, we were only using TRC20 to deposit. Now there's BP20, ERC20, and there's more networks on the USDT for deposits in the dashboard now, which is really great. And then it says after your deposit is in, all you have to do is go to the top right box, click, then choose subscription, select Genius Bot, enter total amount depositing up top, download the POA, which is the terms of agreement, check the checkbox under it, and confirm it, and you're set. As soon as you do that, guys, that is it. You don't have to do anything else. It's fully automated, hands-free. You know, your balance will show up in your MT4. And immediately that your bot is approved, you can go to the options account, MT4, and see the bot approved. When it says approved, the same next trading day from when you subscribe, you'll start getting the trades. And we usually average between 1.5 and 2% a day, which is really great. I showed you the statistics. I showed you my profits. Guys, there's nothing left here but to join. Immediately get in touch with the person who invited you on this call and get on board. You're getting on board with the best team, a team that has real facts, real education, real motivation, real support, because we have direct contact with the broker. Do not wait. Who invited you here? That's the person you need to message right now and get on board today, because your success depends on it. All right, guys. So with that, pretty much, you know, a concise, well, as concise as I could actually run through it, the presentation. And so I'll turn it back over to RJ and Ron, if you guys have anything to say, or if anyone has maybe some questions that they might have that I might have not covered, I'm more than happy to answer them. Ron, RJ, anything?
Hey, thanks, Jay. Yeah, I think you need to unmute Ron. Just search his name.
Oh, sure. You got it. All right. Here we go. There you go, Ronnie.
Hello. Thank you, Jay.
Sorry.
Awesome.
I'm so sorry.
That's an awesome presentation. Hopefully everyone likes it. I have some group chats and they said you're a beast.
Oh, thank you.
And they're so thankful. They're so thankful. They would like to send their appreciation for your presentation today. Thank you so much, Jay, for being with us this morning. But wait, there's more. To all our guests here, 500 of you will have a chance to win TRC20. Okay,
woo!
So
that's right.
TRC20. So this is what will happen. Okay, we will be giving away 50 TRC20 for 4 people. Okay, and then we will give away 100 TRC20 for 1 person, lucky person. So we will give away. Okay, RJ, are you ready? So while you're listening to Jay, RJ is writing all your names in our wheel of names. Okay, so once your names will be picked, okay, get your TRC20 ready. Okay, because if you will not give me your TRC20 now, I won't able to give it anymore. Okay, so this price is only valid now today. Okay, so what you're going to do is search my name in the participants. So my name is Ron Tolentino, RONN. Okay, and then Tolentino, TOLENTINO. So if you will be chosen as one of our lucky winner, immediately search my name, get your TRC20 ready, post it, and then I'll send you immediately your prize. Okay, if you won't do that, if you will not do that today, and we cannot give it anymore. Okay, so this winnings is only valid today. Okay, so I think everything is ready. RJ, are you ready?
Let's go.
Okay, so show your screen, bro. Show your screen.
Is it shared
Share your
already?
screen.
Go.
Can you see my screen or no?
Not yet.
Okay, I think Jay will need to stop sharing first before I can share.
Okay. All right. All right.
Okay,
I'll just give you. I'll give you the thing again. Hold on.
Thank you.
RJ.
Exciting.
Okay. All right. RJ.
Normally we have a group chat open and they'll say they'll put 888 or 777.
There you go. All right, RJ, you have the host again. Go for it.
Okay,
Thank
let's
you.
go, bro.
But
Let's
Jay,
go.
you
Let's
need
choose
to
the name of
stop
our
sharing
lucky
your
winner.
screen.
Not yet, bro. Not yet.
Jay need to stop sharing the screen first before I can share.
Oh,
mine.
okay. Here we go.
Yes.
Here we
okay.
go.
Thank
All
you.
right,
go for it.
Thanks, Jay.
Okay, let's go. Share your screen,
Got
bro. We are excited. So
Can
all
you
the
see it
names
now?
of. Okay.
Can you see it now?
Okay. Yes,
Ron?
yes, yes.
Yep.
We can see it now.
Okay, let's
Okay.
go.
So, bro, before you spin, okay. So
Yeah.
once your name is chosen as a lucky winner, please unmute your mic, and then we will ask you some exciting question. Nothing hard. We'll just ask you where you're from, and then so we know who to give the prize to. Okay. So
Nice.
let's go. Let's ready. So
go.
who will be our
Let's
first
go.
lucky winner of the 50 TRC20? Come on, let's go. Woohoo! And our first winner is
iPhone.
oh, who's iPhone? Where's iPhone? Who's
Okay.
iPhone?
All right. Let's
Okay,
press
if your
iPhone and
username is
unmute
iPhone, if your username is iPhone, please raise your hand.
Hello.
Yes,
Hey,
iPhone.
can you
Hello.
search him?
Hi.
Hello, iPhone.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. You
Thank
won.
you.
You win TRC.
Thank
So
you.
what you're gonna need to do now? Where are you from, by the way? Where are you from?
I'm from Scotland.
From Scotland. Okay.
Yes, no UK.
Welcome. Okay. So what you need to do now is search my name in the participants, and then send me your TRC20. I will send it to you now. Okay. So you have.
How do I see my TRC20? Sorry.
Are you a member already or not yet?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so what you can do is go to your back office, go to funding section, yeah? Go to funding section, and then get your USDT TRC20 wallet, okay?
Okay.
And then send it to me now before, and then I'll be waiting it for you. I'll be waiting for your message, okay? So like I said, this price is only valid today or now, or else I won't, because I won't get your name already. Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Would you like my Bitcoin wallet address or?
No. TRC20 wallet. TRC20 wallet.
Yeah.
Okay,
Click on
I
the
got it.
USDT
Thank you so much.
TRC20.
Okay.
Yes, you're welcome.
Thank you
Congratulations, iPhone.
Thank you.
What's your real name, by the way, if you don't mind?
so much. My real name is Chantel. I didn't realize I didn't put my real name.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so have you sent me your TRC20 already?
Yes, I sent it to Ray J
Oh,
on direct
Nice.
message.
who did you send it to?
Perfect.
Send it
To Ray J.
Ray. Is it RJ?
RJ. So RJ.
RJ, sorry. Sorry.
RJ, did she send it to you?
Okay, let me double check.
Just confirm. If you got it already, bro, it's okay. Just give it to me later on.
Man,
Yeah,
there's a
we can
lot
give-
of
yeah,
text.
we'll-
There's a lot of
It's okay. You know
think-
what? I saved the chat, so we'll
Awesome.
get it from there, and I'll send it to you right as soon as we finish everything. We can go to the next participant.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's
Okay.
Go.
Thank
Okay,
you
let's
so
go.
much.
Let's
Thank
go.
you.
That's better. That's better. Okay, let's go.
remove. Okay, next.
Okay. Let's go. Second winner. Second winner.
Are you still seeing my screen or no?
Yes, bro.
Yeah,
You can
let's go.
still see your screen. And our second lucky winner of 50.
John. Okay,
Who's the winner?
John,
Come on,
yeah.
come on. Oh,
John,
John. Hello,
Yes,
John.
yeah.
John, please unmute yourself. Are you here, John?
Yes, I am.
Hello, John.
All right.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Where are you from, John? Where are you from?
I'm from London.
London. Hello,
London.
neighbor.
Woo.
I'm only
Hi.
like I'm 3 hours away from London.
Okay.
Okay, so this is what you're going to do. Okay, are you a member already?
Yes, I just yesterday.
Okay, perfect. So this is what you're gonna do. Send the message to Jay. Okay,
Right.
Send your TRC20. Okay,
Right.
and then just make sure you've done it today, or else you'll lose the prize. Okay.
I will surely do.
Congratulations,
Okay, let's go.
John.
Okay, let's
Thank
go,
you,
John.
thank you.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Go.
Thanks.
Okay, go. Let's go to the next winner. Come on, let's go. Let's go, RJ. Woohoo.
Nadine.
Who's the winner? Nadine.
Congratulations, Nadine. Woo.
Nadine.
Hi,
Listen.
James. Thank you very much, my brother.
John,
Send
unmute
them
yourself
that
now, John.
TRC20.
It's Nadine time now.
Uh-huh.
Nadine,
My God, oh my God.
congratulations.
Congratulations. Woo.
Where are you from? Where are you
Not to
from?
Uh-oh.
I cannot
You-
believe it.
Where are you from?
I'm from Queens, New York.
Oh, fantastic. Congratulations.
Go New York.
So you won 50 TRC20, Nadine. So this is what you're gonna do now is send the message to Jay. Send your
Okay.
TRC20
All right,
now,
I will
okay?
do that. I'll do that right now. Thank you.
Yes, congratulations.
Thank
Well
you so
done. Good
much.
job.
Congratulations,
Okay.
Nadine.
So let's go to the fourth winner, bro. Let's go. This is the last This is the last winner of TRC20 50. Okay. So the last winner of the 50 TRC20. Let's go. Let's go, RJ. Oh, this
Let's go,
Banwar.
Banwar, congratulations.
Banwar, congratulations. Unmute yourself, please.
Thank you. I am from India.
Welcome.
Congratulations,
Congratulations.
Banwar.
Congratulations. So we're
Thank you.
are you a member already?
Yeah.
Perfect, perfect. So you know what you
Hi.
do now. Okay, send a message to Jay. Send your TRC20. Okay, this is only valid now. Okay, so do it now, brother.
Okay.
Let's go. Congratulations.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Congratulations,
Enjoy.
Banwar.
Okay,
To everyone
so
who
those
received
are
the prize
the
today.
so those are the winners of our 50 TRC20. Now, the last and final winner
Big,
will
the big
receive
prize.
100 TRC20. Okay, are you
All right.
excited? Oh, by the way, before we do this one, Jay is here, Ron is
Wow.
here. If you join Ron and Jay, what will you say? RJ. Okay, RJ, let's
There
go.
you go. There you go. I like that.
And the winner of 100 TRC20, Jason G. Jason G, unmute yourself. Jason G.
Hello. Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, where are you from?
We can hear
Where are you from?
you.
I'm from Cebu, Philippines.
From the Philippines. So
Yes.
we have representative from UK, India, Scotland, and then from the Philippines.
Yes.
Jason, congratulations. So what you do now is send them your message, your TRC20 to Jay. This is only valid today, okay? Make sure, now, before we end the call. So get your TRC20 ready. Send it now before we lose it, okay?
Can I send it in the chat group?
Yeah,
In
send it
this,
to Jay now.
I already sent it to the chat room.
Did you send it already?
Yeah, already,
Yes.
bro.
Okay, go.
Okay,
So
perfect.
congratulations to all
Thank
our
you.
Congratulations,
winners.
everybody.
You will receive,
Thank you.
Jason, you will receive 100 TRC20. Woohoo!
Prize, the #1 prize.
Okay, so once again, everyone, thank you very much for your attendance. RJ, thank you. Jay, thank you. And
You're
this
welcome.
is not only the first. We will have more of this exciting presentation. But I think that's all for me today, Jay. Anything else from you, RJ?
Yeah, I just transferred the host to Jay.
Okay, perfect. So guys, like I said before, this is a very, very exciting opportunity. We see Intelligence Prime Capital going for long term. So whoever invited you on this meeting, get with that person, because this recording, this meeting has been recorded and will also be available. Hold on here. What happened? Okay. And will also be available as a recruiting tool. This is the reason why we don't say our full name. This is the reason why we don't, talk about how to reach us, because we want this recording to be used as a recruiting tool for each and every one of you. Okay, so get with the person that invited you to this meeting. Sign up today. It's going to be life-changing. It's worth your time. And we'll see you on the other side. God bless everybody. And until the next one, mic drop, everyone.
Thank you.